Hey guys, welcome to another Picsart tutorial. Today, we're showing you how to create Surreal art on Picsart. Surreal edits are out of this world cool, but can also seem intimidating. So, in today's tutorial, we're showing you how to create mind-blowing Surreal edits in just a few steps. Okay, Salvador Dali in training. First, tap on the plus button and choose your image. Then, it's on to step 2. Tap on stickers and search for blue gradients. Scale it up. Then use the eraser sky option to apply the gradient to the sky. Next, tap on add photo and add any fish image you'd like. We went with whales. Use background remover to remove any unwanted background. Then scale up the whale and place your cutout in the sky. You know what's keeping him up there? Pure whale power. You can also duplicate it if you're more of a pot of whales kind of artist. Now, to really make it surreal, add some drama to your sky with some cloud stickers. Time to decorate this masterpiece. Have as much fun as a flying whale with this step. You can use lens flare, filters, masks, and effects to complete the surreal look. And don't be afraid to add more. And we're done! Feeling inspired? Create your own surreal edits with Picsart. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our official YouTube channel to get more tutorials.